Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. We're coming to you with another update on Y-5 today. Please remember, this is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. And if you like my content, please click the like button, subscribe, and provide some comments. If you have some questions, I'd be happy to answer. So in today's episode, we're going to cover the website has been updated with the new ecosystem. There's a number of products that we're going to cover in that. And also, they've been discussing about the new trader token that's coming out. So we'll give a bit of an update on that. And the sale is going to happen this weekend for those, the private sale, that is, for those that are holders of the Y-5 wealth token, the traditional OG Y-5 token that is. So here in the center we have the wealth token, as we're talking about. This is where all the revenue is driven back into this token, thus making it more scarce and valuable for owners. So starting in the 12 o'clock position, we have the decentralized exchange, which we've talked about previously. Currently, we have a swap that's going on, and the version 2 of the exchange is going to happen, and this will go from about 20 to 22 tokens that we have now up to about 100 tokens. So this will allow people to purchase these tokens and move them in a decentralized fashion with the exchange into the MetaMask wallets or Trust Wallet and other things like that. Picking up the top row to the left of that, we have the wallet insurance, which will allow holders to take out wallet insurance against hacks, thefts, and fraudulent activity. And also on the right of the decentralized exchange, we have the stable coins. Currently, the token is looking at the Great British Pound as being their initial stable coin, but they're going to talk about multiple stable coins as well in the future. I haven't heard a lot about this right now, but stable coins are part of the exchange as well. In the 9 o'clock position, we have the launch pad, which I've discussed earlier. This project, or this utility, is actually developed right now and could be utilized. They've just been having a little challenge getting some new credible projects, but the launch pad is ready for cross-chain promotion, allowing Y-5 holders having priority on this as well. In the 7 o'clock position, we have the Roundup app. This is a mobile application that will allow spending via Apple, Google Pay, and be rounded up to the nearest pound or dollar to automatically purchase coin or token of your choice following that. So this allows you to top up, whether that be Y-5 or whatever token you may of your choosing, just in small denominations to allow you kind of to round that up and get some extra purchases. So you buy a coffee for $2.50 and you can round that up to $3 or whatever, and you get 50 cents of your favorite token, or maybe you can even round it up to $5 if that's kind of how you want to do your purchases. But this is just a way to get small micro purchases and increase your holdings. Now in the 6 o'clock position, we have a debit card. This was mentioned at our last AMA and part of my last update as well, allowing you to use BSD rewards, stable coins, or other coins and tokens of your choice to purchase day-to-day items with this debit card. So this is another utility that will be coming out in the future. No date at this point in time, but it is one of these that will drive buyback and burn as well to the token. And here at 5 o'clock, we have the centralized exchange. This is a fully centralized exchange with fiat on and off ramping. This is something that they talked about at the last AMA that they're still going to be working on when it's going to be released. They'll have sentiment analysis and over 100 coins and tokens as well to be traded on the centralized exchange. Again, this will be a great addition with the decentralized exchange to pair up. Currently, they said they may have to utilize different wallets for this, but they hope to have this merged in at some point in time in the future as well to one wallet use. Now finally, the big news is the trader token. The trader token will be the main LP on our exchange that we will use to list and buy other trader tokens. It was announced that the tax on this is going to be 8%. There's 2% for the liquidity pool, and 6% will be contributing to the daily buyback and burn. Now, the other big news for those, as I mentioned, the holders of Y-5, the original wealth token, will be able to have access to the private sale on this. There will be also a pre-sale coming up, and then there'll be public launch. So this weekend will be exciting times. Also, Bradley came on the Telegram to actually provide an update as well and clear up some stuff. We'll be listing the trader token on a number of large exchanges to follow, including the Y-5 exchange, Bitmart, DigiFinex, Whitebit, Gate.io, LP Bank, and BitSmart. And there's also working on getting this token as well out to a number of other exchanges as well as they apply for these, and will be part of the marketing packages will actually drive the sales for this token as well. So needless to say, the excitement for the purchase of the private sale for this is made the activity on the Telegram and the Discord much more active, and people are looking forward to this weekend. The sale goes starting Saturday all the way through till next Wednesday for those holders of the Y-5 token. Finally, some further clarification on Friday tomorrow, which will be the 20th of May. They will be publishing the maximum B&B that will be allowed for the private sale, and also all community members will actually have this opportunity to buy. When you go to the pre-sale, there will be a soft cap, hard cap, as I understand, as they launch this on one of the launch pads. They haven't chosen that yet. It'll be what is best for the token. So this may not be Y-5's actual launch pad. It may be where the most eyes get on this. So they're going to utilize this and drive what's best for the token in this case. So this is another clarification that was provided by Bradley. And again, just driving the excitement on the token over the next couple weeks, as the exchange, as I mentioned previously, the V2 of the decentralized exchange is expected to drop at the end of the month, so before the 29th of May. So that will actually utilize the token that is being established here over the next little bit. So that's it for the latest update on Y-5. Again, if you enjoyed my content, please hit the like button, subscribe, and provide any comments. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. This is Gordon for Metaverse and Crypto. We'll talk to you later.